And she's trying to go through the...
She got some. She got a handful.
Wow! The cat nearly fell over. Do you want to put some of the herb mix in?
Not yet.
Not yet.
She got a handful. She's trying to eat it.
Don't eat it!
Look at her nose.
Mary?
Yeah.
Come here.
Have a nice weekend.
This is hilarious! Wait. Wait.
She's not interested in it.